Good morning, everybody. Sorry I'm a little bit late. I got distracted by some interesting information that came up on my Facebook. And so I was kind of following that and tracing that a little bit and got carried away. So, anyway, I'm glad I didn't get carried away by the wind. Holy cow. It is Wonder Woman Wednesday. Wonder Woman Wednesday. But maybe we need to change it today to say it's Wild and Windy Wednesday. Whew. I have to go and rescue my trash can here in a little bit. I suspect it's probably halfway down the street now that it's empty. And I was just talking to my neighbors, there's two little girls that live back there, and apparently my next door neighbor, their other backyard neighbor, they have a tent set up in their backyard. I don't know why, but anyway, they have a tent set up back there. It blew into my backyard neighbor's backyard. It's kind of wild and windy out there. Anyway, I know a teacher who works in a school. She's got several students, but she knows what to do. So she hugs them and she rocks them and she tucks them in their desk. I love you. I love you. I love you is what she does best. And today my job is to keep you safe all day in my heart. And your job is to help stay safe. Well, here we go. It is windy Wednesday, wild and windy Wonder Woman Wednesday. What a day, huh? I was thinking about going to ride my bike, but I'm afraid that the wind will blow me off and I'll end up like the Wicked Witch in The Wizard of Oz. I'm not wicked. No, I'm very nice. Anyway, I just could see that picture playing in my mind. I don't know if you guys are familiar with that movie. I've shown it a couple of times at our TDT, but it's she's kind of scary when she gets on her bike, and there's scary music to help you be scared. But anyway, the wind. Well, you all know the wind carries the tornado, and the wind carries Dorothy's house into the land of Oz, and there her adventure begins. And it turned out to all be just a bad dream. So, well, actually, it was a good dream. It was a good dream. Started out kind of scary, ended up being good. So, anyway, yeah, my brain is wild and windy today. I'm thinking about when I can't go on a bike ride and get blown off my bike. No, I don't want to do that. Maybe I could go for a walk. Did you go for a walk yesterday? It was really nice, wasn't it? And then it got really windy, and I went out walking, and I ended up getting some dust in my eyes because apparently the wind is so strong that it's blowing the dust from Oklahoma. So y'all be careful out there if you go outside today. Be careful that you protect your eyes. And if I when I do walk, I think it's going to be a walk today. When I do walk, it's going to I'm going to be wearing my glasses so to help keep the wind out of my eyes. Anyway, it is Wonder Woman Wild and Windy Wednesday, June 10th, 2020. Wow, June 10th. Holy cow. Where's the time going? It's just flying by so it's blowing by so fast in this wild and windy weather. Speaking of weather, let's look at the weather. I'm pulling it up on my phone. It's very cloudy outside. And I'm wearing leggings because it's kind of chilly. It says that it is 60 degrees Fahrenheit this morning. Maybe the sun will kind of peek out a little bit, just pop up like a pretty plant. It'll peek out and then it'll be cloudy and it'll be peeking out and it'll be cloudy. It's one of those kind of days. We call that partly cloudy or partly sunny, depending on which way you look at it. It's going to warm up to 75 degrees Fahrenheit. 4% chance of rain, so I don't think it's going to rain. Let's see what else. Ooh, humidity is really low. Remember, the humidity is the moisture that's in the air. It is 74% this morning, and so that means that it's a little bit moist, just a little bit moist outside, but I'm sure it's going to be fine. I know when I go on my walk that I will be drinking water. So you do that also. Okay. It is going to be an interesting day with the strange weather we're having. I hope that you are all doing well, and I hope that you are all staying safe. So, how about we do our pledge? We have our flag up. I'll grab it for us. We'll do our pledge. We'll have our moment of silence, and we'll have our wish well, our family promise. No, our family cheer and our family promise. I don't know. I always mess that up, don't I? All right, let's turn that around. Ready? I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. This morning, I want to wish each and every one of you and your family and your friends well. I wish your pets well. I wish my son and my daughter-in-law and my beautiful granddaughter well. I wish my friends well, especially Patrick, Adelia, and Melinda. I wish well my family scattered throughout the United States. I wish well our leaders, both on the state level and on the national level. I wish well everyone who is at work. I wish well everyone who has to go out and be in public. I hope that you are wearing your masks and doing all the right things. I wish all of our medical workers well. I know they're getting tired, or they are tired, and there's a lot going on. So I wish them well. I wish well all of the people who keep us safe in the public, the police officers, the first responders, firemen, firewomen, mailmen, mail ladies, grocery store workers, delivery people. I wish everyone well. I wish all of the population of America well. I wonder who you wish well. We wish you well. We wish you well, all through the day today, we wish you well. Hands up high, hands down low, hands up high, hands down low. We are a family wherever we go. I will be kind to others, I will use kind words, I will follow directions, and I will get right to work, and I will stay safe. Uno, dos, tres. We did it on Wonder Woman. No, it's this, isn't it? I'm sorry. Wonder Woman. Wednesday, Wild and Windy Wednesday. Hope you have a great day. I love you, and I'll see you later. Bye for now.